All right, I'm going to repeat something quick from the classroom. The sine of the trigonometry, all students take calculus. So make sure, how do we see the quadrant? You're going to counterclockwise. So the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now, all students, all, do not overthink the all, okay? All means everybody. So sine, cosine, tangent, all positive. So the signs just want us to know, is that positive or negative? Because when we talk about the unit circle, you do know that, wow, some number inside the parentheses is positive, some is negative. And what do we say when there is a picture? The answer is in the picture. So we would love to use the sine of the trigonometry to confirm the final answer, the value, exact value, positive or negative. So we are going to use the all student take calculus to help us to go through. Now, all means everybody, everybody. Now, student, as we mentioned about the student, the S stands for sine. So therefore, what you see is what you got. In your second quadrant, only the sign is positive. Now, some of you say that, no, you made us to take no. Sine is also the reciprocal of the cosecant. So therefore, cosecant it's also positive than everybody else. So you can say that, so then secant must be negative, right? You are correct. And cotangent will be negative, right? You are correct. All right. Then take. All students take. So the T stands for tangent. So in the third quadrant, only tangent will be positive. But, you may say that, no, the reciprocal, cotangent, also positive. You are correct. So this is what we mentioned about awesome notes. And then the last one, as you can see, will be my calculus. The C stands for cosine. So in the quadrant 4, only cosine will be positive. Now, don't say that. Don't forget the reciprocal. Secant, you are correct. Secant is also positive. So therefore, it is what we say all students take calculus, okay? So name the quadrant, which means I would love to know what will be my picture, okay? Fall in what quadrant? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, if you say that, how do I start? Well, all student take calculus. Go. Knowing that cosine is negative, less than 0 is negative, but sine is positive. So cosine and sine are different. Only sine is positive. What does that tells me? Sine is positive. So therefore, this is tells me my picture had to be in quadrant 2. Done. All right. Number 10. All students take calculus. All students take calculus. Knowing that sine is positive, but tangent is negative. So what do you notice about that? Ooh la la, sine had to be positive. So therefore, this will be my quadrant. Seeing is believing. I still need to be in quadrant 2. Okay, moving on. Cotangent. Now do not say that, Miss Home. All students take calculus. I do not know cotangent. Well. The cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So if cotangent is positive, tangent, as you can see, also positive. So what you see is what you got, knowing that only tangent is positive and secant is negative. So therefore, you know that I had to be in quadrant 3. Good. Last one. All student take calculus. So knowing that, ooh la la, loving that, your sine is negative, but cosine is positive. So think about cosine is positive. So that will be my quadrant 4. And when there is a picture, the answer is in the picture. Done.